Next, we will learn how to use the L'Hopital's rule to resolve the infinity minus infinity indeterminate form of limits. It is not guaranteed that we can use the L'Hopital's rule to resolve the infinity minus infinity indeterminate form. Our only hope is that somehow we can convert the expression into a ratio that is of the 0 over 0 or infinity over infinity indeterminate form, and then use the L'Hopital's rule. Let's do an example. We start off the process by identifying the type of the limit which has the infinity minus infinity indeterminate form. The L'Hopital's rule doesn't apply to this limit yet, but if we algebraically rewrite the difference as the ratio of one function over another one, then we can change the type of the indeterminate form to the one to which the L'Hopital's rule applies. After each application of the L'Hopital's rule, we must re-evaluate the form of the limit. And since the new limit is also of the 0 over 0 indeterminate form, we again apply the L'Hopital's rule. And again, after each application of the L'Hopital's rule, we must re-evaluate the form of the limit. Now, since it's not of any indeterminate form, we find the limit by simply performing the arithmetic. We discussed how to use the L'Hopital's rule to resolve the infinity minus infinity indeterminate form of limits.